Hello everyone, today I want to begin from painting. I need to paint my handles first and then whole box. Handles will be green colored like festool. The festool Systainer has some grayish color. I need to repeat it with this white acrylic paint and some pigment painter. Of course I can order exact color on the paint station, but I don't want to go with this sample anywhere now, and we'll try to repeat color with simple true DIY method. But first I need to paint my handles using this acrylic paint as a primer. First stage will be completely white, without adding black color. The more speed better. Let my handles dry, and now I need to make color like festool. And for this operation I made some metal wire mixer. And I don't know how much need this painter to get needed color. Let's try a little portion, 1 drop. Let's see influence of 1 drop on the color. Influence is quite small. I need a bigger amount. And now I need to make some trial paintings, because there could be difference before drying and after. Piece of plywood. Okay, let it dry and then we'll see color. And that's all for today. Good luck.